Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about NiceHash Bitcoin Mining Platform, whether it's legit to earn money or just another outdated mining puzzle. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide where I show you the exact process. Links in the description. So, NiceHash operates by allowing users to rent out their GPU or CPU power to buyers who use that power for mining various cryptocurrencies. In return, users are paid in Bitcoin. The platform claims to simplify mining with an easy to use dashboard and automated payouts. The pros are one of the few platforms still active since the early days of crypto. Pays out in Bitcoin and trusted by many experienced miners over the years. The cons are massive decline in profitability. Trustpilot's score of 1.5 stars. Complaints range from withdrawal issues, poor customer support, and complex verification processes. Many report being screened out or stuck in frustrating login loops. And also mining with CPU or lower-end GPUs likely not worth it anymore. Reddit users note, it's still legit, but the golden era of ETH mining is over. So for the final verdict, NiceHash is a legit platform, not a scam, but its usefulness in 2025 really depends on your hardware and goals. For hobbyists, it's nearly impossible to turn a profit. For pros with serious mining rigs, maybe there's still some value, but the heyday of easy mining from your bedroom PC, that's history. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.